Hi friends, this is Janaki. Welcome back, and I'm happy to be on thankyouchef.com. Do you know about the benefits of sprouts? They are rich in proteins, vitamins and minerals. So adding sprouts to our diet is much better than just eating beans. And there are many ways we can eat sprouts. Among them, in this video, I am going to make one of the best way to eat with sprouted black chana. To know about more nutritional information, please watch NutriFacts video. Actually, sprouts are best for Weight Watchers and diabetic, blood pressure people. We can have this item anytime in the day. Now let's see the ingredients. 1 bowl of sprouted black chana, 1 bowl onion pieces, half tablespoon jeera, few green chilli pieces, few garlic pieces, few curry leaves, few coriander leaves, half piece lemon, 1 tablespoon salt and half tablespoon of light olive oil. Now let's see each item in the video. Sprouted black chana, olive oil, curry leaves, coriander leaves, jeera, green chillies, salt, few garlic pieces, lemon, onion pieces. Now let's start the process. First heat the olive oil. Then add jeera, garlic pieces, green chillies. Mix well. Then add few curry leaves. Fry them until it splutters. After that, add onion pieces. Mix well. Then add salt and fry them for a minute. Then add sprouted black chana. Fry them with lid for 5 minutes. Don't add water, just steam cook it, that's enough. In between, mix well. Don't over fry the sprouts, then we may lose essential nutrients which is required to our body. Just do light fry until the chana becomes soft. Finally, add few coriander leaves and squeeze half lemon. Mix well. And then transfer it into a serving bowl. That's all. Very simple. And enjoy. Yummy yummy chana dal sprout fry is ready. Thank you for watching this video. For more sprout recipes, please visit thankyouchef.com. Bye. See you in next video.